When is the economy going to recover? Well, that is the big question. You see, as we enter this recession, we have an absolute housing shortage in the country. In fact, some of the lowest inventory levels of residential homes in the last 60 years. And if this is going to be a long, prolonged, painful recession, it may make sense to sit on the sidelines. But if it's going to be a V-shaped recovery, which means that the economy is going to bounce back quickly, this could be an incredible opportunity, and an opportunity to lock in a near record low interest rate, and an opportunity to potentially even have some seller cover some of your closing costs or help buy down your interest rate permanently. Now, according to JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, and Goldman Sachs, this will be a V-shaped recession. And what that means is you crash hard, which we've certainly done with the spiking unemployment numbers, but as soon as people are back to work, the economy takes right back off. That's certainly our stance. We believe that the economy will do well and will rebound by the beginning of next year. And we believe housing, because of its incredible shortage in regards to the amount of supply, we believe that the demand will keep housing prices moving higher throughout the next year. If you have any additional questions on this, we're here. We'd love to help you and create some specific financing options for you and your family. And as always, make this as easy as humanly possible on you. Look forward to hearing from you.